We're going to do a brief demonstration of how to connect the new beta module to the DMC 3000. The DMC 3000 will accept several modules, including the beta, telemetry, and Neutron modules. They connect to the DMC through the rear battery panel. So the first step is to remove the battery panel with the two screws you see here. Once done, it reveals the telemetry connector port on the back of the DMC 3000, which is just above the battery. And you want to make sure that the DMC 3000 actually has the proper connector in order to accept the module. You can see the telemetry connector here on this version of the dosimeter. It simply plugs in just above the battery. So, when you're ready to connect your beta module, which you can see here, you simply find the connection groove along the front of the DMC 3000 and the matching one on the beta module. It hooks on and then folds in. Once you're connected, you simply tighten the two screws that you can see here. And then finally, turn on the DMC 3000 by holding down the plus button for 3 seconds. You'll see the word enter, and then you hit the minus button. You'll get an indication that the beta module has been connected successfully. You'll be able to see that a module is connected with the icon in the top right corner. And then as you scroll through the display, you'll begin to see your beta dose and dose rate. And that's how you connect the new beta module to the DMC 3000.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.